Before I do anything, I'm gonna take the Smashbox Petal Metal Shimmer Drops in, what is this? Rose Glitz. It says shake well. Can you see that? So I'm actually gonna rub this on my chest. It doesn't say that's what it's for. It's supposed to be for the lips and the cheeks, but I've tried it on my hand and it's just so pretty, so I'm gonna put it on my chest. They also have gold glitz, which is more of a gold tone. It's just so pretty. Probably not gonna be able to see it on camera, but in person, woo, it's pretty. It's really pretty. The Smashbox Petal Metal Primer. This is the primer from the collection. At first I thought this was just their regular primer in the different packaging, but it's not. It's different. Oh, I don't have the box here. This highlighting primer illuminates, blurs, and evens skin tone. It's packed with shea butter and hyaluronic acid, and it gives you an instant rose gold glow. Feels a little thicker than the normal primer. I'm going to use the Jouer High Coverage Cream Foundation again, and I'm in the color Cameo, and this is just the little sample one that they sent, so I can pick my color. I can't remember like a last makeup collection that I was super excited for, but this collection I'm so excited for, just merely based on the fact that for the packaging, because I am in love with the packaging, because obviously I haven't tried any of this stuff. This is the first time I'm using it, but the packaging, it just gets me, like, just makes me want to buy it just because it's so pretty. Concealer, Tarte Shape Tape again. By the way, those flowers behind me, those came, whoa, that's too much. I can't talk and put my makeup on. Those came in the PR package, and they were just so pretty that I just wanted to do some. If they fall off back there while I'm doing this, then they fall off because they're just stuck on with tape. They were just so pretty that I wanted to do something with them. I'm gonna set it with the Laura Mercier setting powder. The sponge I'm using is a Sigma, whatever they call their sponge, like a 3D blender or something like that. But it's legit my favorite. I'm just lightly setting the rest of my face, like very lightly. First, I'm going to take Sigma's eyeshadow base primer in Persuade, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid to prevent any creasing and cancel out any discoloration. Then I'm just going to blend that out, and I'm going to take Sigma's Warm Neutrals palette, volume, the second one, it's the second palette that they have. And I'm going to take the pink matte color. I guess it's not really pink. It comes out with pink. But anyways, I'm going to take that color. And I'm just going to apply that with the Sigma E38 blending brush just above my crease, and I'm just going to make sure to blend that out and diffuse any harsh edges. And then I'm going to take the Smashbox Petal Metal palette, and the top is just so pretty. I'm going to take this pink champagne, it's like a pink champagne color, I guess I would call it, and I did not realize my camera was in focus for this part, which sucks because this color these formulas are so creamy and smooth and super pigmented. So I applied that to my lid, and then I took the dark brown color with a Sigma, I'm not sure the number of this brush. I'll try to have it listed in the description box below, but I just added that brown color to the outer corner of my eye and blended that inward. And I also added that color to my lower lash line, as close to the lash line as possible, kind of keeping it on the outer end. And then I applied a little bit of the first transition color just to blend out and smooth the edges. And then I just added a brown to my waterline from Urban Decay, and then for the liner I also used the black liner from the collection. This is probably one of my least favorite products from this collection just because I don't like a shimmery black eyeliner. I just feel like it kind of diffuses the black and sometimes it makes it look like the eyeliner is not exactly perfect. I don't know, I just don't like a shimmery black eyeliner. And then for mascara, I took the new Milk Cosmetics Kush mascara, which is by far just amazing. I don't even know how to describe it. It's just really smooth. It really is really good. That I forgot to do the inner corner of my eye. So I'm going to take a little bit of this color right here, and I don't know why I'm out of breath, and add it to my inner corner. I'm also going to add a little bit of that to the brow bone. For my face, I'm going to use this new Ciate London South Beach bronzer. There's going to be a giveaway at the end of this video that is with Profusion Cosmetics, which is in Target. Blush, I'm going to try out the new Benefit Cosmetics Gold Rush blush, which it is so pretty and it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Wow. Like after you dip your brush in, it's kind of like gold, and after you dip your brush in, it goes more pink. Like the gold goes away. Oh, this is really pretty. It's weird because the gold kind of goes away, but it still has like a little bit of a shimmer. This is really pretty for like every day when you're not wearing a lot of makeup, or if you're somebody that doesn't like blush. I'm going to take a highlighter from this collection, and I think I'm going to take Rosemantic, which is more of like a, I think like a rose gold color. Look at the packaging, it's so pretty. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this one. Another one they have is Gilded Rose, which is more of a gold. If the first one doesn't do anything, then I think I'm gonna use the gold one. And then I'm gonna spray my sponge, and I'm gonna also take the Petal Metal Shimmer Spray that comes with it. I think this is like a setting spray. Lightweight face and body highlighter. Oh, maybe not. I thought it was a highlighter. This all over illuminating spray mist on a dewy rose gold glow. Lightweight face and body highlighter. Oh. Just spray. Oh, and it smells good. Oh, it smells like a rose. I'm just spraying everything on, putting everything on my body. Okay, I'm just gonna try to spray my sponge. Oh wow, it is really, like, you can see it is like a, like a rose gold color. Oh whoa. Okay, this is a little too dark for me, I think. I'm gonna use the gold one because this one looks a little bit too dark for me. Yeah, this one's better. I don't know if I should spray my face with this because my face is kind of oily and since it's all over highlighter, but we're just gonna do it because we're gonna try it out. Oh, one just fell off, huh? I don't know if I was supposed to spray it on my face like that. Oh, it says, I should have read the directions. It says on face spray before makeup. I'm stupid, I shouldn't have sprayed it. Oh well, I mean whatever, it is what it is. And it says on body spray on bare chest, legs, and arms. Ugh, oh well. For lips, I'm not going to use anything from the collection just because everything is like metallic. They're really pretty, like they're like metallic. I don't know, I don't think I'm going to use them just because I'm not a big fan of metallic lips, but I don't know, I might. We'll see how it goes. Try this Profusion Mixed Metals lips, and it comes with, it's a little set, and it comes with a matte lip cream, matte lip liner and metal matte lip cream. I'm not going to use the metallic one, but I'm going to use the lip liner and the lip cream. This brand is inside Target. So this is actually the brand that I'm going to do the giveaway with. They're going to give one winner. I don't have everything here. They're going to get, one winner's going to get this. One winner's going to get this Naturals palette, which I'll be using in a tutorial soon. And they're also going to get 2 more palettes, a eye and cheek palette. They come in this size, an eye and cheek palette, and there's another palette that it comes with. I don't remember which one it is. I'll have it listed in the description box what it comes with. One winner will get all of that from Profusion. All you have to do is follow Profusion Cosmetics on Instagram. I will link their Instagram in the description box below. And to enter, leave a comment in the comment section below. Doesn't matter what it is, just leave a comment. Well, nothing mean, but leave a comment and I will choose one winner from the comments, and Profusion Cosmetics will send you all of those products because they're doing inside Target on, when is it? May 6th. Just wanted to make sure it was right. So at Target, they will be having a beauty spotlight event where you can go get a makeup application done. You can test the samples. They're doing a live demo. If you check Profusion's website, I'll have everything linked below, but if you check the site, you can check which Target is having it in your area. The lip liner and then this matte lip cream, which is in the color Matte Nude, and the liner is in Nude Intrigue. That's a pretty color. Yeah, that's a pretty color. Should I try to put a little bit of the metallic on? Whoa. Whoa. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that. That is super metallic. The one I just dabbed, you seem like I just dabbed a tiny little bit, is Petal Metal.